In this video, I will show how to create waterfall chart in Microsoft Word. So click on Insert, then Chart. Here select Waterfall. Click on OK. Now guys, you will see one Excel worksheet automatically open with this sample data. So make changes according your need. Once you're done, exit. You don't need to save. Just exit. So changes will be reflect here. You can change style, color for this chart. Here you can give a name. So double click on this name option. Once you click on this plus icon, you can add or remove these labels. Again, you need to change data. So click here, edit data. And make changes here. If you have data, so select data here. So thanks for watching. Comment on this video useful for you.